All right, it's just been a brutal time with wintry weather here in the valley since just after Christmas, and it continues tonight, deteriorating road conditions. Here's what you can expect. The radar shows this band of moderate to at times heavy snow, mainly in southeast North Dakota, slowly progressing northward, and it is going to continue to bring some trouble. We have another winter system making its way through the region, though, tomorrow and into Sunday. But first and foremost, tonight, a winter weather advisory for the area most likely to see some substantial snow. The Saturday night into Sunday event is really going to slam southern Minnesota toward the Twin Cities. Blizzard warnings already hoisted for that. And here is a look right now at our Valley Skycam. We're looking down to the south because the radar is showing a more intense band heading our way. And let's take a look at our friend's camera there at the Dakota Magic Casino. There's I-29, the fog, the snow fog, reducing visibilities considerably there. Here are your conditions at Hector. 12 degrees, light snow in Fargo, and a light wind. And we're thankful that we don't have a lot of wind to contend with yet, but that will change too as we go through our weekend. It's cold in Langdon, 2 below, 8 above Devil's Lake, Jamestown, 12. Grand Forks, hockey, and 9 degrees out there, 19 in Detroit Lakes, and 21 for Babe the Blue Ox. Now, as far as the current radar goes, from Ellendale and Dickey County all the way up through the Fargo-Moorhead area and into Lakes Country and points south, we already have reported accumulations of 2 inches here at the station in South Fargo. And earlier in the afternoon, a 2-inch report from Ellendale to 3-inch report where the snow has continued in earnest. So we're already getting, by this evening's hours, snow totals of significance. Because these heavy bands have been streaming along the same path, these are where I expect to see some of the loftier snow totals this evening. Looking down to the south, another low-pressure system will work its way up, and that's what's going to bring the blizzard conditions for southern Minnesota. That misses us. But we'll talk about changes later on. For tonight, the snow potential continues through 10 o'clock and beyond for southeast North Dakota, and even northern Minnesota will get in on the action a little later. Could be some freezing rain because take a look at these temperatures. They're rising between now and that midnight hour overnight. I don't think it'll be widespread, but be aware that it's a possibility. By daybreak, most of the snow out of here, temperatures between 10 and 25 degrees for most. Exhale, because Saturday for much of the day, although cloudy from the Red River and points east, it looks like a very nice day. Most of the snow potential in the eastern half of Minnesota, and we get to recover, shovel snow, and clean up. By the end of the day, it looks like there'll be some changes starting to punch in from the north and west as the wind starts picking up, becoming northwesterly. Here's snow potential. I think this has shifted. I think the 4 to 6 inch band is going to be a little farther south just based on how the radar has been setting up, and then surrounded by a widespread area of 3 to 5 inches, and then a little bit less to the south and barely anything in the Devil's Lake Basin. If there's going to be flakes, it'll be pre-dawn here in Fargo. Temperatures rising into the low to mid-20s, staying there. Northwest winds increasing late, and Sunday looks ridiculous, and here's why. Because we get wind, we'll have blowing and drifting snow, very icy roads, and tricky travel conditions. By Sunday afternoon, Arctic air slams back into the region, and by Monday morning, we're talking 20 to 30 below air temperatures, minus 50 wind chills. All right, it's been no fun. At least when it's cold, we get some great shots from people like Milton here of sundogs and halos. Here's your planning forecast. Saturday, flakes mainly out east. Windy Sunday, very cold Monday. And as we begin our work week, we start climbing out of the freezer, but then the snowflakes return, particularly Thursday into Friday. We'll watch that system.
We keep saying it's going to end soon, but then we get hit with another
It just
round.
keeps coming, yes.
Yeah. Thanks, Sach.
Well, here